Okay, so you have 4 multiple choice tests throughout the term. The purpose of these tests is simply to make sure that you're keeping up with the reading and viewing material. I don't think the questions are very hard. They are, before I get off track, let's say there are 4 40 question multiple choice tests. So each test has 40 questions. Each test is worth 10% of your final average, and each question is worth 5 points each. The purpose of the test is to make sure you're reading and viewing and absorbing all the material in the course. They're not timed. You can take as long as you want. You need to do it in one sitting, though. There's only one attempt allowed at this point. Since this is not a proctored test, I'm not asking you to go somewhere and take it, and this is an online class. Why would anyone ever give a test in an online class and not have it be open book? You got me. But I wrote these questions with the intention that if you needed to, or I assumed you would, be going back and looking at the material again, wading through it, and interacting with the material in order to answer each question correctly. So, I do accept late work, as with most of the written work in this class, maybe all, is if you, so it's due when it says it's due in Moodle. If you turn it in within 1 week of the due date, you will only get a 10% deduction. If you turn it in between 1 week late and the drop dead date, then you will get a 20% deduction. So that's it. If it's late, it's either 10% off if you get it in within a week. If you get it in anywhere from a week late to the end of the term, it's only 20% deduction. And believe me, 20%, at some points are better than none. And yeah. And if you don't do it, you don't get any points. Imagine that. So that's the test.